haven't done a video in a very long time. My apologies. Just been caught up with life. But a lot of people have been asking me, why am I not making videos? And a lot of people have also been asking about the reggae muting technique. So in this quick video, I am going to show you how to actually get the reggae sort of like strumming technique under your belt. So I'm going to use one of the easiest reggae chord progressions to do that, and I'm going to show you the reggae chord progression. I'm going to show you how to practice the muting technique, and I'm also going to show you a little riff that you can use in your strumming technique to spice it up. So enjoy. I'm not going to use any sort of like chords, backing track or anything like that. I'm just going to go straight off the bat with that, and to make it simpler, I don't want to complicate it. So enjoy. This is an impromptu video because people have been asking me, so I'm going to make sure that you get something out of it, and you can learn something from this. So welcome back. Stay tuned. Make sure you like and subscribe, and make sure you share the video. So alright, so I'm going to use A major and B minor. Alright, so if you want to know what I'm using for my amp, I'm using the Boss GX1. It is absolutely fantastic, and this is not sponsored by Boss. And I'm also using a sort of like a Radio Shack PA speaker. I've got the 15-inch two-way speaker that I picked up just to gig through because it's loud, and the GX sounds fantastic through it. So that's what I'm using, and I will put up settings if you want me to. So in another video, if you really want the settings of my guitar and my setup, I can show that to you as well. Alrighty, so I'm using that A major and B minor, A major and B minor. So this is the reggae chord progression, the easiest reggae chord progression. Alright, so what's that? Well, all I'm doing is playing the notes from the 5th fret, 1st string, 5th fret, 2nd string, and 6th fret, 3rd string. So that will give me the A major, and then I move that up to the 7th fret. So that's the 7th fret, 1st string, 7th fret, 2nd string, and 7th fret, 3rd string. And by the way, if you're hearing some rumbling noise, that's the AC on and it's rumbling in the background because it's very hot. So forgive me for that, please. So again, that is the chord structure. So I'm using that, and that. And I'm using that, and that. It's pretty straightforward. All right. Okay, so if you want to practice this simple reggae chord progression, this is going to be my suggestion. I am going to suggest that you follow me very slowly. So I am going to strum it very slowly so that you can actually learn sort of like the feel of it. That's the better word, that's the better way to describe it, just to get the feel. So once you have the chords down, I'm going to show you how to practice that as well. I want you to practice it this way. So this is how you do it. So after 3, 1, 2, 3. Practice it very slowly. So that's how I want you to practice it. Now we're going to do it 10 times very slowly and 10 times at a normal pace. So after 3, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so that's how I want you to practice that. Practice it very slowly. And then when you have that down comfortable, you can then move to the next phase, which is to practice it a little bit faster, like so. After 3, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so practice that over and over. And to me, that's the easiest roots reggae chord progression. It's a 1-2 progression in A. So that's the A major and the A minor, and you can do a lot with that. All right. The other thing that people seem to struggle with is the strumming technique. Now I'm going to show you a series of exercises, or some exercises that you can actually use to help you have that down pat. You need to learn that cold. Now that's the difference between a beginner and semi-professional, professional, sort of like a reggae rhythm guitar player. And you need to have that down if you want to have any semblance of normality when you're playing reggae music on stage, so that people don't laugh at you. All right, so what you do, remember, I showed you the chords that I'm using. Again, for those who don't remember, we're in the 5th fret, which is A. So 5th fret, 1st string, 5th fret, 2nd string, 6th fret, 3rd string. And then I move that down, so that becomes the 7th fret, 1st string, 7th fret, 2nd string, and 7th fret, 3rd string. So how do you practice that then? So what you then do to get the strumming technique down perfectly, when you strum, you don't let it ring out, you have to pull your fingers off. So if you do this, that's very unprofessional, and that's not going to sound good. You shouldn't do this either. That doesn't work either, because I'm pulling my fingers off the stringer. You have to sort of like mute the strings so they don't ring. So the best way to do that, to practice the technique, is basically just to do it very slowly. So I am going to show you how to practice this. I want you to strum down and then lift your fingers off the string very, very lightly. And if my guitar sounds a bit awful, forgive me for that, because the strings are very old. So here we go again. So we're going to do this 10 times in each position. So we want you to strum that there, the A 10 times and the B minor 10 times as well. So here we go. Pull off, 2, pull off, 3, pull off, 4, 10. I wasn't counting. So let's do the B minor now. So you do the B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sorry. 10. Alright. So it's basically strum down and pull off. Down and So practice that slowly over and over and over. Again, my guitar doesn't sound too right because of the strings. So let's do that again now. We're going to do that 5 times now in each position to get, I'll be getting a little bit faster. And so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then say 5 the first time, but I did 10 for the first chord, A chord. Now then, sorry, so that's a mistake. Now, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to do it twice now. So you go twice in each, for each chord. That's how you practice it. And then when you have that down pat, you then do it a little bit faster. Alright, that's the easiest way I know how to show you how to do it. So again, you practice it, you strum it slowly, pull off. And you do that a number of times. If you do that long enough, often enough, you'll be able to do this. Sorry, and it won't be that difficult. Okay, finally, for those who are more advanced or intermediate, I mean the beginners can try too, if you fancy having a go. I'm going to show you a little riff with that as well. So the riff goes like this. Alright, so basically what I'm using that note and that note to accentuate the chord. And basically it's just the 9th degree of the scale. So what I do, if I'm in A major, I play from the A down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's the 9th degree. And when I come to the B minor, I do the same thing. I start on an octave down from the root. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I still get that 9th degree. So I'm on the first string in the 7th fret, 8, 9, and the first string in the 9th fret. Those are the notes that I'm accentuating. So how do you do it? I'm basically strumming down, and then I go but instead of separating it, I do it all in one. So I'm strumming. So there's a number of ways you can do it. You can use upstroke techniques or just pure down, all down strumming. So it's sort of like I go 3 down and then 1 up. So it's alright, for those who are advanced, you can look into that. Alright, so that's it. I hope you enjoy that. If you've got any further tips, let me know. what videos you want me to do and how I can improve these videos. I didn't use any backing track in this one because I wanted to keep it real simple. My apologies again for taking so long to come back with a video. You know how life is. You get caught up in things, you travel about, you move from country to country, you move from house to house, and so you get caught up. So let me know what you think, and remember to like and subscribe. Have a great day. Bye now.